This is my Tiger 900 GT Pro motorcycle. I bought this motorcycle just over a month ago. Since that time, I've installed several protection accessories. For instance, the GVTN6415 engine crash bars. I like it. I also have on the front wheels axle sliders and on the rear wheel axle sliders. On the subframe, I have longer frame sliders on the left side and on the right hand side. On the handlebars, I have put Buckbusters handguards. They're great because they have a solid aluminum bar. For the headlight, I have Perspex headlight protector. In this video, I will be installing two of these aluminum radiator guards to replace the Triumph original radiator guards. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notification for when I release the videos for the installation of these various protection accessories. This is the radiator guard for the Tiger 900. Let me unbox it to show you what is inside. A big packet with lots of things inside. There are two rubber strips with double-sided adhesive tape. There's a packet of screws and fixings. There's a packet containing these two center radiator panel. I have a feeling they have mistakenly put two in the packet because it only needs one. We shall see. This is one of the aluminum radiator guards. I want to replace the original radiator guard because from tapping the original radiator guard, I believe it is plastic or rather an aluminum radiator guard. This is the second aluminum radiator guard. I have a magnetic tray here. I will pour the small mounting kit components into the magnetic tray. There are 8 of these black rubber bungs. Each of the two radiator guards will need 4 of these installed on them. This is the left hand side radiator guard. The first rubber bung will go to one of these holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up and 2 inside. So this hole. The rubber bung head has a hexagonal head. So I will see if they will line up to the hexagonal hole. It is not easy to push this black rubber bung into the metal hole. I found the best way to do this is to flick it on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the hole it needs to go in. And then I use a small flathead screwdriver and push the head of the bung in there. Just have to do it slowly and carefully and it will go in. And as you can see on this side now, it's gone in. There. So the hex head of the rubber bung has gone in. I think this is the only way to get it in with the small flathead screwdriver. Using my technique with the flathead screwdriver, I've managed to install all the 4 rubber bungs on each of the 2 radiator guards. Now to remove the radiator center panel. I think it's just pull it out. Yep. So it's just a case of pulling it out. It's caught on by 1, 2, 3 rubber grommets. Now to remove the rubber grommets on the left. That's 1, and on the right. So that's 2 rubber grommets. This is what the 2 rubber grommets look like. I now want to remove the original radiator guards on the right and on the left. And to do that, I will use a 5mm Allen key to loosen the screws on top and below. The top screw has come off. Now to remove the bottom screw. These are the 2 screws holding this left hand side radiator guard. I've inserted all 4 bungs on each of the 2 radiator guards. Now this replacement radiator guard included 2 strips of this rubber, and because there's no instructions on how to mount it, I've looked at how the radiator guard mounts to the radiator, and the only place where it seems to me they would need any shock absorber would be here and there. So I will clean the surfaces on these. cut the length I want, remove the protective film, and then adhere it to that. Make sure I do not block the radiator fins. I hope this is correct. We will see. I will cut this shorter, like that, like that. And I want to avoid blocking the radiator cooling fins. The rubber is not blocking the radiator cooling fins at all, so that's alright. Get one of the M5 screws with the washer, put it through the top hole of the left-hand radiator guard. And screw it in. Now the screw for the bottom of the radiator guard. The left-hand side guard is installed. There are two of these clips. The front face is the surface with the big hole, and the rear is where the screw thread is. Slip this in to the back of this tab. Same thing here. Now to put the rubber tape on the right hand side radiator. Again, I have to be careful not to block the cooling fins. Grab the right hand side radiator guard with the M5 screw and washer. Second M5 screw with washer. Yup, the guards secured, they're not going anywhere. Now for the other two M5 screws, they go in here. I haven't tightened that screw yet. Yep, I think that's good enough. I'll test moving the guards. They're not moving. Now for the last piece, which is the radiator center panel. That should sit in there like that. For the 4 screws that will secure the center panel, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are M4 screws. I will use thread locker to secure them. So apply thread locker. And this is the low strength thread locker. I'm just securing the bottom right hand side screw first. I'll do the bottom left hand screw. It's going in. Now for the top left hand screw. Yes, it's going in. Lastly, the top right hand screw. Yes, it's going in. Now to tighten them. Alright, these 4 screws are now tightened. That's it, job done. At least I know these radiator guards being aluminium, they're not gonna crack like the original plastic ones. And this center panel replacement is also metal, whereas the original center panel is plastic. Well, I hope you found this video useful and interesting. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and you will get notification of when I have released videos of the other accessories I've added to the motorcycle. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.